Hi, this is Jeannie with Fuller Fabrics. These are the new line called Christmas Spirit from Wilmington Prints. They've got a lot of reds and greens. You can see as I go through here, lift them up so you can see them a little bit better here. For those Christmas quilts that you'd like to make, these are the 10-inch squares. And let me see if I can move my hand here and kind of show you a few of the prints. Lots of nice reds and greens. And then of course you've got the 5-inch charms. Same reds and greens. We've got these now in stock at fullerfabrics.com. As you see, we've got the 10-inch layer cake squares, the 5-inch charm squares, and the 2.5-inch pre-cut strips. These are pre-cut and they do not have, and that's what I was checking to see, but these do not have the pinked edges. So if you're one of those that do not like the pinked edges, the strips do not have them. Now the layer cake and the charm squares do have the pinked edges, but the strips do not. So if you're one of those looking for strips that don't have the pinked edges, these are for you. Come on by, check us out, www.fullerfabrics.com. Get these while they last. I don't know how long they'll be in stock or when I'll be able to get more, but we've got them right now. And thank you for watching.